In this lesson, we're going to be going over the moving basics. So how to rotate, zoom, and pan in 3D space. So first, let's go ahead and save our project. We're just going to continue from our previous project and save as. And this video is for people that are using a 3-button mouse. So you should have a left and a right mouse click and a wheel that you can scroll and press in. We'll go ahead and save this moving basics 3-button mouse. So we can see our name up here. So for the 3-button mouse, just push in that third scroll wheel, and that will let you orbit around or rotate all around. And you always want to be just constantly rotating and orbiting with that middle scroll button wheel. And then the next one is the zoom. And to do that is pretty simple. You just scroll in and out on that scrolly wheel there, and just put your mouse, over whichever window you want to affect. Let's go ahead and go into full screen. So again, Control or Command Spacebar. And now we're in a full frame, scrolling and orbiting. And the next move is the pan. So to do this, you're going to hold Shift on your keyboard and press in that third mouse scroll wheel. And that will let you essentially grab the image and move it around up, down, left, and right. So that is a pan, just kind of sliding over. So you can orbit, pan, orbit, pan. Everybody try that. Orbit, pan, orbit, pan, orbit, pan. You got it. So that's how you do that. You can zoom, pan, orbit, and just practice moving around. You can go full screen or not. You can do it to any one of these. Just kind of practice moving and zooming and grabbing. And if your screens start to look mess up, you can always go back and reset the viewports. You can also reset your views with 1, 3, and 7, and frame the selected with the numpad period. So the challenge of this lesson is to just orbit around and try and do all the different roles with just your mouse and keyboard. So let's jump into the next video, which will cover duplicating and editing basics.